Merci, Sabadana. What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be making Armenian coffee. Yes, delicious Armenian coffee. So all you need is 3 ingredients: coffee, sugar, and water. So let's start with the coffee. Come on, follow me. All right, we keep our coffee in a vacuum sealed container. And we use a blend of coffees, which is 50% Brazil, 25% Sumatra, and 25% French. I'm sure you can use basically any type of coffee, and I could probably an entire another video on what coffee you like. But that's what we're using now. And the most important thing is, if you do get your own coffee and you have to grind it yourself, when you go to the machine, turn it all the way to the finest grind, because you want it to be ground up like baby powder. I don't know if you can see that there. Very, very fine, very, very soft. We keep ours still in the paper bag so it doesn't come in contact with the plastic. And we like organic coffee because we don't want to be drinking pesticides. And I'm sure you don't either, right? So, you got this. The way you measure it is by using your coffee cup. So, let me show you. Most of the time you're going to be drinking out of cups this size. So the amount of water you use is a full cup of water, right? So let's do this. And actually I'm going to be making 2. One for me and one for my beautiful wife. So we're going to double everything. So like I said, let's fill this up twice. That's 1. Okay. So far, very easy, right, guys? And I made a big mistake. I left the spoon in here. It's going to be wet. So let me get a new spoon. All right, for 1 cup, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of coffee. So we just put that inside. I'm gonna get 1 more. And now also for 1 cup, you need 1 teaspoon of sugar. This big serving's about a teaspoon, and I use 2 of these. And the last thing is, all you have to do is bring this to a boil, and it's ready. All right, I've got the heat on. Now just stir it a little bit. And I'll stir it again in a minute, just to make sure it mixes well. All right, I'm just waiting for it to heat up a little bit more, so that will help the sugar melt. And we can get the sugar, you know, melted throughout or mixed throughout the coffee. So I think it's been melted enough. All right, guys, we'll probably point the camera down at the coffee, but you'll see it. Once it starts foaming up and rising, or it's about to spill out, then it's ready. And it's like a magical time. It's just like all of a sudden it just happens. All right, it's foaming. It's almost ready. And you want to get a little bit of foam so you can have some foam on the top of your coffee. Because as you can see, it's almost there. Now we pour it in our cups, and hopefully I won't spill it. All right, you can see how they have a nice foam on the top.
Perfect.
And whoever gets more foam gets more love. That's the Armenian way. Okay guys, now I put 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. If you don't like sugar at all, then you don't have to put any sugar in it. And some people don't put any sugar in it at all and then eat with chocolate, right? But I like to have sugar and the chocolate. So let's taste it. Delicious and perfect. And now follow it up with some chocolate. Alright guys, if you happen to get Armenian coffee, then you're probably with some Armenians, unless you're making it yourself. So if you're with Armenians, you need to know these phrases, like Zavedanam, JeffMara, Janet Murnam, Inch Kezapinch, Inch Bres. If you heard my wife talk to my children, you can't even count how many times she says Janet Murnam, Zavedanam, Gankit Murnam. So when your Armenian friend serves you some Armenian coffee, say Merci Zavedanam. Alright, so now I'm gonna go enjoy my coffee and my chocolate with my darling wife. And I wish you guys lots of love and happiness, just like we have. Be happy. Peace out.